my dudes? It's Demi, and today I am taking you on a tour of the Hyatt Place hotel across from Universal Orlando. This is a Universal partner hotel, which means it is steps away from Universal and provides shuttle service, which I will go over in the video. This hotel recently had a huge renovation from the lobby to the gym to the room, so we're gonna see everything brand new, and I'm really excited to be able to provide you that today. If you find this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, make sure to check out the Patreon for exclusive bonus content, bonus lives, and so much more, and you'll be helping me continue bringing great content like this to the channel. But now let's get in there, let's see this brand new renovated hotel, and let's go get into some hijinks. Hyatt Place is a Universal partner hotel. It is across from Universal, about a 20-minute walk. It also has free shuttle service to the parks, which I will go over shortly. It is also directly next to two other Universal partner hotels, the Hyatt House, which is a Hyatt property but offers suites and full-size kitchens, which is really great if you are doing a longer stay, and the Holiday Inn and Suites, which I did a full tour of. I will link that video for you here and put it in the description box below. Hyatt Place just went through a major renovation from the lobby to the gym to the rooms. Everything is done. They are still working in the lobby a little, doing some finishing touches, which you'll see today, but everything you'll see here is all new, and I'm really excited to show it to you. Before you head inside, there's this really nice outdoor area here with some tables, chairs, and ashtrays for your smokers, and some TVs. When you first walk in, you enter the lobby. You can see they're still doing some work here, but everything is in operation. All brand new furniture, looks really nice. Brand new seating area. You have that really cool rug, some updated chairs and tables, those cool looking blue chairs. They even have high chairs here, and they have a large booth in the back as well. Even more seating on the opposite side of the lobby, and that is because at the end of the room you have the breakfast area. They do serve free breakfast Monday through Friday, 6:30 to 9:30, and Saturday to Sunday from 7 to 10. Behind the lobby desk is where you can find some grab and go snacks, drinks, even frozen meals here, and ice cream. The opposite side is the placery. This is where you can get real Starbucks drinks, like real ones. They have espresso to make lattes and cappuccinos. They can even do some refreshers. They have teas. And then this is also the bar. The bar closes at 12 a.m., but the Starbucks and the food are open 24 hours with limited selection starting at 11 p.m. In the back of the lobby, they have a section full of local Orlando attraction guide maps, including some experiences located at Icon Park, which is not that far away from here. I did a whole video on Icon Park and all of their attractions. I will link it here, and I'll put it in the description box below. On the opposite side, we have the vacation planning desk. This is open from 7 to 11 a.m. This is where you will book your free shuttle. So you do have to put yourself down for a spot. It is free. You don't have to do it for your return times, but going you do. It's going to stop at Hyatt Place and Holiday Inn as well. There just are very limited amount of shuttles, even going back, but it is here for you. I will say Uber usually should only cost about $10, but they do surge pricing like when the parks close. But if you wait it out, it will eventually go down if you don't want to wait for a shuttle or walk. Vacation planning can also help you with your tickets to Universal and other local attractions nearby. Directly next to the planning desk is the gym. Here is the brand new renovated gym. It feels really fresh and new in here. We have a rowing machine, weight machines, a Peloton, 2 ellipticals, and 2 treadmills. And it even smells good for a gym. So that's how you know that this is all very new. Back in the lobby, and we're gonna head to the right and go all the way down the hall out that door, and we are gonna go see the pool. Well, here's the pool, and you would need your key to get into the pool, but apparently today I would also need a separate key. Maybe someone forgot to unlock it. I don't know, but let's try to take a look at the pool as best as we can with the gate locked. But here is the pool. We have some table seating, lounge seating. It's a decent sized pool, especially for this size of a property. Very basic, but it is here. Back inside, now we're gonna take the elevator up to the 6th floor to see the room. The elevator and the hallways have all also been renovated. Everything feels very new here, and I love this blue carpet. We're gonna walk down the hall to 603. Here we go, room 603. Let's first take a little overview of the room before we get into all of the details. We have 2 queen beds, a couch with a couch bed, a small kitchenette and a desk area, and finally the closet area and bathroom area. When you first walk in, you have this small entryway because you basically head right into the living room, but I want to show you the peephole. They have these really great peephole covers for privacy. To the left is the kitchenette area. On the top, we have our ice bucket, some glasses, a microwave, and then ignore my coffee. We have a small sink. We have a single-use coffee maker with some coffee and black tea available for us with our mugs and sugars and powdered coffee creamer. Also a very nice size microwave, and you can tell it's new because it doesn't smell like popcorn yet. Underneath the sink, you have some sink storage, which if you have enough people could turn into clothing storage because as you'll see as we continue, there's not that much clothing storage here. And then next to that, we have our mini fridge. I really like this size mini fridge. It's pretty big, pretty tall. There is no door storage. There is no freezer, but it feels pretty cold in there. And then what's very cool on the wall is a bottle opener. I've never seen that in a hotel. That is very cool. Next to the kitchenette is this full-length mirror, and I love that they have hooks on the mirror. That is great when you're in small spaces to hang things. After that, we have our little office area. We have a little office lamp, our garbage, a leather chair. I just sat on the chair and it's very comfortable, and you have some space to put stuff underneath the desk. Moving along, we have our TV. It is a very nice sized TV right in the center of the room, and it does have accessible HDMI and USB ports. Behind the TV is the closet area. On top, there's extra bedding for the couch bed. One side is our long closet to hang long things. It also has the ironing board and a luggage rack. A shorter closet on the opposite side with our iron on top. Underneath, we have our safe and some drawers, 3 of them. The drawers aren't that deep. They are pretty much a standard drawer. And then underneath the 3rd drawer, there is some open space that you can stick stuff underneath. Moving along to the bathroom area, first we have our vanity. It's outside the actual bathroom, which is great. Underneath, we have some towels, a mid to full size Conair blow dryer, a light up mirror, which is really nice. I love how they did the tissues here, and a bar of soap. Let's head into the actual bathroom. The fan goes on automatically when you turn the light on. I love the roller coaster photo in here. Shower tub combo in here. They do have soap, Kennet MD shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Regular tub, they gave us a bath mat. Here is the shower pressure. It's not the worst I've seen, not the best I've seen. It's okay. I would give it like a 6 out of 10. Let's take a look at the other side of the room now. Starting in the living room area, we have 2 lights on the wall, our thermostat, a beautiful little artwork piece there, and a brand new couch and couch bed, along with a little side table and a coffee table on wheels, which is great because you got to move it to get the bed out. And I always hate when the tables in front of the couches are too heavy. Plus, we have our remote for the TV. But now let's open up this couch bed and see what it's about. Oh, that's easy. Very good. Whoa, and here it is, a brand new couch bed. I like that the sheet is already on. I would assume it's clean. It looks clean. I will try it out. It is still a couch bed, but at least it is still new. Okay. Well, it definitely still feels like a couch bed. It's a very thin mattress, obviously, but it feels good because it's new. I mean, again, thin. If you sink in too hard, you do feel the bar. I think this is fine for kids, obviously. Maybe like young adults if you don't have back problems. But if you have any back issues, I don't ever recommend a couch bed. But having this be new, it's definitely not the worst option. But it's still a couch bed. But it's better because it's new. Okay, back to the room. I also want to point out to you that there are brand new vinyl floors, and there is still a little bit of carpet right near the beds, which is nice because when you step off the bed, you land on carpet and not on a cold floor. But anyway, here we have our 2 queen beds. In the center console, we have 2 lights, one on each side. We have an alarm clock and our phone. We have a little shelf on the inside and extra room underneath for storage. Finally, we have our big window. Underneath is where the air will come out, but you will use the thermostat that's on the wall. And here is The view, it's not much of a view. I got a nice palm tree right here, but you get to see the 2 surrounding hotels and the parking structure for Universal. And now it's my favorite part of my room tours, the outlet sitch. We're gonna go around the room, count up all of the outlets. There needs to be enough for at least 6 people in this room. Outlets are very important. They charge our devices. We rely on them. Let's count them up. 2 in the kitchenette, 2 regular outlets, 1 USB-A, 1 USB-C on the desk, 1 additional outlet under the desk, 1 behind the couch, 2 outlets, 2 USB-As on the center console, 2 by the window, and 2 by the vanity. There was a total of 12 regular outlets, 3 USB-As, and 1 USB-C for a total of 16 charging stations. If there were 6 people in this room, that would not be enough. That would only be like 2 per person. However, I don't think that there will normally be 6 full grown adults in here. I'm not saying that's never the case because I've done it, but I would think maybe there's probably kids as those last 2 in the 6. So if we're just thinking as a room for 4, that is still 4 per person. And I really do like the fact that during this refurb, they noticed that they did need more outlets. They have the alarm clock that has the extra outlets. They have the little extra outlet set on the desk. And so I do like the fact that they did notice that, and they did the initiative of putting those in. So I'm not gonna give it the seal of approval, but I am gonna give it its eye. And finally, okay, first impressions, pillows are very fluffy, kind of sinking in with them. The bed is a little firm, but a little soft as well. I will sleep here tonight and I will tell you how I slept in the morning. Well, my dudes, that is the Hyatt Place Hotel across from Universal Orlando. I have to say I had a really great stay here. The beds were super, super comfortable. One of the more comfortable hotel beds I have had in a very long time. The base pillows were a little more firm, and then the front pillow was a little more fluffy, so it was a nice balance, and I really enjoyed my sleep here. I didn't hear my neighbors. The only thing that I did hear sometimes is water from the shower from like my neighbors above, but it wasn't like that big of a deal, and I only heard it like once, and it wasn't in the middle of the night or anything. I slept great, and yeah, the breakfast was really good in the morning. I really like that, and everything looks so beautiful and new, and I'm really glad I was able to stay here after this renovation and bring you along with me. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your bell notification so you don't miss anything that goes on this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Magical Hijinx. Check out the Patreon. Become a patron, you'll get exclusive bonus content, bonus lives, access to Discord, help with trip planning, and so much more. And you'll be helping me to continue bringing you great content like this on this channel, as I personally do fund everything you see here, including these hotel stays for these tours. And until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys can see Hijinx very, very soon. Have a bye.